This is an explanation for week 13 and 14. Yes, you heard correctly. This is a 2-week module. You have 5 activities that you'll be working on this week and the following week. So please don't procrastinate and wait until the second week to try to complete these activities, or you may have some difficulty getting them done. So this week we're going to study how to assist students to make economic decisions, and we're also going to look at how students learn through multiple assessments. So this week you're going to make some Play-Doh, believe it or not, and you're going to use it to assist students learning economics. You're going to explore a website teaching economics using children's literature. You're going to write some responses to some economic topics, and you're going to respond to how do I teach students to learn through multiple assessments and evaluation. Let me click on the folder. Everything you'll find is here in this list that you need for this week. So the first item is the description for all the activities. So you're going to read chapters 13 and 14 in the textbook. That's the first thing you need to do. The second thing, you'll make some Play-Doh using the recipe below, or your own recipe if you have one, or a store-bought Play-Doh. Just go to the store and buy some, but you don't have to. You can create your own, whichever way you want to do that will be fine. You're going to read through 3 of the Play-Doh lessons found below. Here are the activities for that. You're going to use the Play-Doh to create the sculptures that they talk about, and then you're going to take pictures of each of the sculptures and write a reflection on how these are used to teach economics to students. Include your opinion on how successful students would be to understand the concept, and do you have any suggestions to make the lessons better? You're going to add this to the week 13 and 14 drop box, which all of your assignments will go in this week. But you're going to look at 3 of the Play-Doh lessons, not just one. You're going to do 3. So check 3, and it doesn't have to be 3 sequential lessons. It can be any of those 3. There are numerous lessons there. The third activity is to respond to each topic as listed in the list of economic topics you'll find in this folder. And it's right here is the list of economic topics, and you're going to add these to your week 13 and 14 drop box. Then you're going to click on this website here, and you're going to read the story If You Give a Mouse a Cookie that's found here, and you're going to create a chart identifying the economic topics used in these lessons, the activity or activities, as well as possible assessments, either already planned in the lesson or one that you would suggest, and you're going to post this chart in the week 13 and 14 drop box. So you need this link and you need this story, which you'll be able to read, download and read the story if you haven't read it already, to complete the activity for number 4. Number 5, in a one-word document, respond to the questions for multiple assessments that you'll find in a one-word document here. Make it a one-word document and just respond to that all, and then post that also in your week 13 and 14 drop box. Here is the 13 and 14 week drop box. This is a folder for additional resources. If you like them, fine. If not, just pass them by. Just extra things I find along the way in regards to economics or assessments that you would find in that folder. Does not really pertain to having to be used to complete an activity, but it's there for you to pick, and if you want to add it to your portfolio, you're more than welcome to. So these are the 5 activities this week. And the following week, I'll try to send you a reminder next week that we're still continuing this week. If you finish up this week, you'll have time to finish up any assignments that you need to complete and turn those in. I will be grading over the next 2 weeks while you're working online on these assignments, on these activities. Otherwise, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Otherwise, as always, I'll see you online.